Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a case by subcase for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro series, but this is actually a newer version of the Unicorn Beetle Pro series. Over here to my right, I have the original Unicorn Beetle Pro, and I've actually done a full review video with this case right here on this device, as well as a full drop test within that video. So if you're interested in checking that video out, if you have not checked it out already, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. I encourage you to go check it out so you can see just how durable this case is right here. I mean, it did such a good job at protecting this device. No damage was done at all on this same exact device that you guys are seeing right here in this video. Well, this new version of the case right here is the exact same case, the exact same build, exact same design. It's just as thin. If I turn it to the side like this, the only difference between these two cases, let me put this one over to the side. The only difference is that this one now has an S Pen slot. So if you've been carrying around your Galaxy S21 Ultra and you've been wanting to, carry around the S Pen without having to just stick it in your pocket or, kind of hide it somewhere else, well, you have a super durable case that will be able to hold that S Pen for you. But let's go ahead and throw this on the device so we can check it out. This is a two-piece case. Now, one thing that I like that Subcase did with this case right here is that this top piece is now compatible with the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector, or pretty much any tempered glass screen protector, because the original one right here wasn't really that compatible. It kind of pushed up against the edges of the tempered glass screen protector if you did drop it. Well, this one is actually giving you a nice gap around the top here, around the corners, around the edges. So they did a very good job at making this top piece right here so it can be able to be compatible with that tempered glass screen protector. I am really happy, really glad that they did that. So all we got to do now is just pop it in just like that. Make sure it snaps in really good, nice and secure. There we go. And that's what it's going to look like once it's in the case. As you can see, we get some nice lips in the front, at the top and the bottom. So if you happen to drop it flat on its face like that, or if you go check out my drop test video, as you can see, it's going to do a great job at protecting that display from any flat surface. Then going over to the back, you get a nice deep cutout for the camera there. So if you do happen to drop it on a flat surface, flat on its back like that, it's going to protect those cameras there. And then you got a really cool design here in the back. Got a little carbon fiber up there at the top right. And then you also get a kickstand, which you can also use as a pop socket kind of thing like that. As you can see there, just makes it easier to hold your device, kind of move it around. Then you can just slap it back in like that. But you can also use this, to watch content on your device with your phone up or your phone to the side like that. And then when you're done again, you can just pop it right back in there. But definitely a very hard shell in the back. Going to the sides, you get this nice texture right here. Of course, you have your buttons. So check out the power button. Nice and responsive. Let's go and check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers, nice and responsive as well, nice and clicky. Going to the top, you got some cutouts there for the speaker microphone, and then going down to the bottom, you got another cutout for the speaker. And then you got this little flap here with cutout for the charging port. Now, you can cut this flap off if you really don't want it there. Me personally, I don't really like it there, but it is there if you want to protect that charging port from, getting any dust in there. But that's pretty much about it. Over here to the left is that slot for the S Pen. So let's go ahead and check that out. Just slides right in just like that. Look at that. Fits in there nice and secure. And it's actually, it's in there really good. I mean, you really got to try to put some pressure right here if you want to push it out just like that. Then you can pull it out. But once it's in there, it's in there. I mean, it is not going to fall out of your device no matter how much I hit it or bang it on the desk right here. No matter how much I shake the phone, that S Pen is not going to slide out of the case right there, of that little slot. If you want to take it out, like I said, you got to put a little bit of pressure here, boom, push up, and then you can pull it out and you are ready to use it. So definitely fits in there nice and secure. Now, I've said this in, past videos of my Galaxy S21 Ultra. I really wish that Samsung would have given us the option to be able to actually put the S Pen into the device itself, like what we have with the Note series. But, they didn't do that. So we kind of got to go to options like this, where we have to get a case to be able to hold that S Pen. Otherwise, we got to, carry the S Pen around in our pocket, our purse, our backpack. And, it's not the most convenient. So that's where we go to cases like this. So if you're looking for something that's going to be able to hold that S Pen and still give your device the best protection from any falls, any accidental drops, this is definitely a great case to go with. The Unicorn Beetle Pro with that S Pen slot on the side. It's going for around $25 right now on Amazon, so really not a bad price at all. It also comes with a holster right here, so if you want to slap it in there just like that. It's got a clip right here that rotates 360 degrees, so you can clip it onto your pants, your shorts, your purse, your backpack, or anywhere that you can clip this onto. You get a nice little holster right there that comes with the case itself. Now, it doesn't come with the S Pen. I will have a link for the S Pen down in the description below as well if you do find yourself interested, as well as the case. I'll make sure to have a link for that. But y'all let me know what you think about it down in the description below. What do you think about this super, super durable case that can still hold that S Pen for your S21 Ultra? I'd love to know your thoughts. You guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.